Watercolor painting can be a challenging art medium to learn. The interaction of wet paints on porous paper can seem unruly at times, as though the colors have a mind of their own. But with watercolor, you can achieve an extraordinary look that the other art mediums just can't touch. Of course, I'm biased. Hi, I'm Gary Spetz. I'm a signature member of the National Watercolor Society and the former host of the American Public Television series Painting Wild Places with Watercolors and Watercolor Quest. In my lessons, I'll show you methods to tame your watercolors. Just like on my public television programs, I'll break the painting process down into easy-to-understand, step-by-step demonstrations. This watercolor channel has samples of my work and teaching style. Some of the videos are excerpts of my lessons. Some are time-lapse demonstrations. I hope you'll take a look. It's all about the fun and the satisfaction of your painting achievement. So let's get started. There's so little time and so much to paint.